Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're in Abbot, Maine, and I've got a deal for you that's almost unheard of in today's market. 22 acres, a home, open fields, woods, and even a pond, all for just $125,000. Yes, you heard that right, $125K. That's less than the price of some empty lots in other states, and here you're getting land, a home, and endless potential. Now let's break it down. The home itself is a 3-bedroom with a large bathroom and laundry, and while it does need some TLC, that's where the opportunity comes in. With a little vision and sweat equity, you can transform this into a charming country residence, a rental investment, or even a vacation retreat. The land is where this property really shines. 5 acres of open fields, perfect for gardening, farming, or livestock. 17 acres of woods, giving you privacy, firewood, and room to roam. And yes, even a small farm pond, adding to the country charm and possibilities. For recreation lovers, this location is hard to beat. You're just minutes away from Moosehead Lake and Sebec Lake, where you can enjoy boating, swimming, and fishing in the summer, or snowmobiling and ice fishing in the winter. Hikers and nature lovers will love being close to Borestone Mountain and the Appalachian Trail, offering year-round adventure. Think about it. Over 20 acres of land, a home ready to be customized, a rural but convenient location, and all of it for just $125,000. Deals like this don't come along often, especially in a place like Maine where outdoor living and wide open space are part of the lifestyle. So, if you've been waiting for a property where you can get in cheap, put your mark on it, and watch your investment grow, this is